dear friends and fellow enthusiasts of technology. I am Kashish Utani from the Thagat Public School, and today we are going to talk about a topic, and that is AI. AI stands for the artificial intelligence. So, what is meant by the artificial intelligence? What is artificial? Artificial is the man-made things. The chair, the desk, this all are the artificial things. Even the mobile phones which we are using, that is also the artificial things. So now, what is meant by the artificial intelligence? It is the intelligence of human beings which is manipulated in the machines. Suppose, consider this is the panel. Here, we manipulated the human intelligence to program it. So, it is the AI. AI is nothing but refers to the simulations of human intelligence in machines. So, as we stand at the forefront of this technological evolution, it is crucial to examine both the immense potential and the profound concern. So first, let us talk about the potentials of AI. AI is increasingly important in various aspects of our modern society due to its potential. So let's see that. Automation and efficiency. AI can enable the automations of the repetitive tasks, and this leading to the increase in efficiency, the productivity of various industries, and also this allows to humans to focus on more creative and strategic endeavors. AI also play a vital role in the decision making, that it can analyze the large amount of data quickly and make the data-driven decisions with the minimal human intervention. This is capable in the particular labor sectors such as streaming or the finance, healthcare and the marketing also. Next is the personalization. Personalization is the enabling of the user preferences and behavior, which is used to personalize the experiences. This is used in the recommendation system such as the streaming platform and the recommendations system. And AI is not only efficient in the automation, decision and the personalization, but also in the advancement in healthcare. AI is transforming in healthcare by improving the diagnostics, predicting the patient outcomes, assisting in the drug discovery. AI algorithms can analyze the medical images, even performing the robotic surgeries. AI is also useful in the customer service, that AI-powered chatbots and the virtual assistant can provide the instant customer support, handling the inquiries, streamlining the customer's interaction, overall improving the customer's satisfaction. AI in the education. AI technology used to personalize the learning experiences for the students, adapt the curriculum to the individual needs, and also providing a virtual tutoring and the mentorship for the students. AI in the environmental environment, that it can manage the resources more efficiently, predicting the natural disasters, contributing to the environmental sustainability. It is all about the potentials of AI. It has the drawbacks and the challenges that need to be considered, and that are the job displacement. Job displacement, it is the one of the most discussed concern, that AI may lead to the automations of repetitive tasks and also the displacement of the workers who perform the routine or the repetitive tasks. This lead to the disproportionately affect the certain industries and the job roles. Privacy concern. This is also the major concern, that the AI is rely on the often vast amount of data to function effectively. The concerns arise how this data is collected, stored and used. The potential for the breaches or the misuse of the sensitive information. Ethical reasoning, that ethical dilemmas is also the major concern that need to be considered. AI raises the complex ethical questions such as the autonomous vehicles making the life and death decisions, use of AI in the warfare, implications of AI in decision making which is traditionally handled by the humans. Last but not the least, the security risk. AI is susceptible to adversarial attack where the inputs are manipulated to deceive the AI making incorrect decisions, and also this can possess the risk in the cyber security and recommendation system. So this is about the concerns of AI which AI holds. Now, so everyone, let me ask a question. Can AI work without us directing it? Obviously not. It lacks in the various capabilities such as AI excels in the processing power, memory, and the specialized expertise, and human excels in the creativity, emotional intelligence. But the relationship between this both AI and human is often complementary. That AI is work, the true power lie in the humans. At the end, I proudly say that mankind is the mother of AI.